The news is getting worse for people waiting for the swine flu vaccine. The CDC announced today a delay in delivery of the vaccine, and the Spokane Regional Health District announces they're being inundated with requests. With news of 4 deaths in our area from swine flu this week, demand for the vaccine obviously is going up.
Yeah, but today we learned the CDC has drastically reduced the number of swine flu vaccines that will be available this month. This summer, health officials said 120 million doses would be available by the end of October. Today, they said only 28 to 30 million doses will. As of this week, 11.4 million doses are available nationwide. KXLY4's Tori Bernetti live at the Regional Health District. Tori, does the Health District have enough supply to meet demand?
Not yet. Right now at the Health District, there are less than 5,000 doses of the H1N1 vaccine in the nasal spray form. They're going to start giving those out to people on Monday who qualified for an appointment. But the demand for this vaccine is so high that the Health District has moved their first scheduled flu clinic from the YMCA to the Spokane Arena.
The phones are ringing constantly.
The call volume at the Health District's H1N1 phone bank picked back up this morning after word got out about the recent H1N1 related deaths.
You get the nasal spray vaccine sooner.
Dorothy McCackern typically tracks infectious diseases, but the Health District is pulling anybody they can to help answer
Lots of questions. Not enough answers.
That's because people want to know when and where they can get the H1N1 vaccine.
It's hard to plan absolutely when each week things might change.
Just under 5,000 doses of the H1N1 nasal spray was delivered to the Health District early last week. But so far, that's it. The hope is more is on the way. They expect to get more of the nasal spray version delivered early next week. But the big question, when will the H1N1 flu shot get here?
The injectable version is where we're not certain.
Again, it is a hope, not a guarantee, but the Health District says the H1N1 shot should come in next week, in time for the first flu clinic. If it does, there will be less than 1,000 doses, not nearly enough to meet the demand right now. But eventually, health officials say there will be plenty of vaccine to go around.
As we continue to get more weekly shipments, we're going to broaden our strategy for getting the vaccine out to the community.
Now, that call volume, the large amount of interest in this H1 vaccine is part of the reason why the Health District decided to move their upcoming flu clinic from the YMCA to the Spokane Arena, because they say it is a possibility that people are going to show up in the thousands. But even then, only people in high-risk groups will be able to be vaccinated at the flu clinic. In Spokane, Tori Bernetti, KXLY4 HD News.